So, hello everyone, my name is Kusgunar and you are watching Becoming Kus. This is day 93 and let's get started with what I did today. I woke up around like 9, actually 10 a.m. today and started my day the usual way I always do, past 2 or 3 weeks, which is getting ready and taking a bath. Then, after doing that, directly we then came lunch, and honestly, it felt like just a repetitive day where nothing is happening, just everything is keep repeating on. After that, I headed to the shop, spent some time there doing the usual stuff, and came back around like 3 p.m. Maybe around 3 p.m. I can't exactly remember, but uh, after coming from there, I sat down and solved both of my lead code and Geek for Geek problem, which was easy on compared to the other days. Yesterday I was not able to solve lead code hard problem because I didn't had the time. But still today I managed to solve both of them. And after that I took a small break and played a little bit of game, which is Dexter Stardust. Is a story interactive point and kill game just to reset the mind. And then around 5 p.m. I started my intensive work, and today was a bit hectic. Like, I was busy, I had tasks, I had meetings, and couple of stuff to complete, and time just flew. I did take 1 hour dinner break in between because dinner is important, and apart from that, I was logged in till 12 a.m. Yeah, a full grind day, but finally got free around midnight, and you would think that the end day is here, but not. After that, I spent some time on the piano. Uh, this is what I have learned today. If I can play it. This is what I learned today on piano. And apart from that, I have also started learning a little bit of beatboxing. Yeah, that's something random. This is I actually something I wanted to learn since childhood, but I thought why not now? Because if it's not now, then when? And that's one thing I am realizing. It's not just about work, coding, and intensive. It's about becoming a more complete version of yourself, learning new things, trying new skills, exploring how you can become the person you want to. And today I feel like one of those day, simple, productive, and a little bit meaningful. And yeah, that's it. That was day 93. And if you're watching this, just remember every day, normal day, building something big. Don't underestimate them. Like, sharing, comment every day to keep updated about yourself. You can like this video if you like this video. You can even share it on with friends and subscribe if you're not a part of this journey yet. I will see you guys in day 94. Till then, tata bye.